Y-Splash is a program aimed at teaching kids to swim in our community that otherwise would not have had the opportunity to learn to swim.
Put your hands in the air!
Second graders at Mark Twain, they come on Tuesdays and Thursdays and learn how to swim.
Let me hear you whisper!
1:30 a bus arrives and picks up the classroom that happens to be swimming at the time, brings them over, they get changed, they come out. They're differentiated lessons for the kids at various levels. They've got a little swamp area and then they've got the regular pool. Whatever the students' needs are, where they're at, they're able to learn and go from there.
It started with a conversation I had with Don Green, who's one of our company's board of directors. He caught me after a meeting and said, "Jeff, do you know that more than half of kids today don't know how to swim?"
Come on, reach for that ladder, come on, reach!
We've got a beautiful facility here in the Y, a tradition and excellence in teaching swimming lessons. This is a problem that could be solved. It made sense to partner with School District 111.
The students love it. They're really, really looking forward to when it's Tuesdays and when it's Fridays. Like tomorrow we get to go swimming tomorrow. One community, one goal, one vision for all students. This helps a part of the vision where we're trying to build global citizens as well, right? And then as a community, the Y just serves so many various needs. Having this opportunity just kind of really opens up doors and lets people see that, hey, the Y is here to serve.
We need the Y. This community needs the Y. And the reason is because it can offer programs like Y-Splash.